Hi guys, I'm Elliot
I'm Jess.
and welcome to our Beginners Partner Works Session 1 tutorial. We will be going over a basic beginner's routine, going over all the teaching points in leading, following, footwork and technique. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to demonstrate the routine you're going to learn. We're going to do it twice over and then we'll break down firstly the guys, your footwork and your lead teaching points, okay, so for your leading and your signals, followed by then Jess will then break down all the ladies' footwork and signal points and technique. Okay, let's go. So your basic begins 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, last time, Cuban turn, 5, 6, open back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, turn the ladies, 1, 2, 3, and close, basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, turn, 5, 6, 7, open, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, ladies turn, 2, 3, close, 6, 7. Okay guys, your footwork begins on your left foot, your basic step, you're going to step forwards and together, and then on the right, step back and together. Again on the left, step forwards and together, right foot back and together, left foot forwards and together. Now your Cuban turn guys, on the right foot you're going to hook round on the right, come round on the left and together turning 180 degrees with your partner. Now on your left foot you're going to do your open step, you're going to step behind the heel of the right foot with the left, raising the right foot up and down on the spot and come together. On the right foot you're going to step back behind the heel of the left, left up and down together, and then bring the feet together. Now this time when we do it guys, on your left hand, okay, you're going to bring it down in towards your hip, okay, as you step back, raise the foot up and down on the spot and come together. Now when you step back with your right, you're going to bring the left hand across your chest guys to open out your body, raise the left on the spot and come together. Now for the turn guys, you're on the left, ladies on the right, you're going to raise the hand to eye level of the ladies, starting to extend your left hand towards the ladies, sending her back as we step to the side on the left, bringing the hand up and forwards towards you guys in front of the ladies as you cross over with your right foot, okay, and then you're going to bring the ladies round as you bring your left foot round to join. And then on the right foot guys, we're going to close, we're going to step back and collect your partners again. Okay, so I'm going to go over that again on the left foot guys, forwards and together, right foot back and together, left foot forwards and together, right foot back and together, left foot forwards and together, right hook round, step together, left foot back and together, right foot back and together, left foot back and together, right foot back, raise your left, out, across and pivot and back and together. And that completes the guys part of this routine.
Ladies, our turn. So when we start our routine, we're going to start with our right leg as we would normally do. So we step back on our right, on the spot with your left, and then bring your feet together with the right again. Then we go forward on the left, on the spot with the right, and back together with the left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and right and together. Stop. We're going to step out and diagonal left with our left foot. Step across on the next step with our right and then left foot together. So we'll do that one more time. We go back on our right foot. 1, 2, 3, together, step out with the left, across with the right, together with the left. Straight into our open out, which is back on the right. 1, replace the left, together with the right, and then the same on the other side, left, right, together. Open, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, not joining together. Now the man has changed his handhold. This is signaling something's about to happen. Probably a turn, we'll find out. So for our turn, we step back on the right, forward on the left as he starts to lift our hand. Our elbow is down. We step together with the right as we turn to the left. Ready for the next move. Back on the left, on the spot on the right, together with your left and with your partner. We'll do it again from the top. And 1, 2, 3. Step back on the left and together. So, guys and girls, are we ready?
Let's go for it. So on the count of 8, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, Cuban turn. 5, 6, open back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Get ready, ladies. Turn. 2, 3, and close. 6, 7. Right, we're going to do this with a piece of music for everyone to dance to.
So guys, we're going to do this twice, one on each side to make sure you can see everything, and then we will see you next time. Turn to the other side. Ready? 5, 6, 7.
Okay guys, thank you very much, well done.